Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all? So for today's video, as you can know from the title, I have a new product to review. I know these days I have been doing a lot of product reviews because I've been shopping a lot and I think it's my whole and soul duty to share everything with you guys. So yes, today I have a new product. Now this product, this is the Lakme 9 to 5 CC cream, CC complexion care cream. I have been wanting to buy this for a really long time, I think over a year now, but the problem was every time I used to go to the local store, they just used to have the shade which was not mine. So yes, I got this now finally in my shade. So this is the shade beige, S beige. So this product comes in 4 shades. Number one being beige, bronze, honey, and almond. So if we talk about the shade range, I think it's a pretty fair shade range. Having like 4 shades is, I would say, better because many other BB creams just come in 1 or 2 shades. Some of them don't even have a shade range, they just have 1 shade. And to be honest, coming from Lakme, they don't really have a lot of shade range. Most of their products, basically the foundations have like only 3 to 4 shades. So beige is the first one which I got, and this is how the packaging looks. You can see this is how this entire box is. And so this packaging, this particular size, which is actually of 9 grams, costed rupees 99. And let me show you how the tube looks. So this is just this tube. It's this tiny tube, and I can already see how much I don't know if it's visible on camera because I don't think it is, but from here, from right in front of the lighting, I can see the product is literally halfway over here. This portion of the tube is empty already and I have not used this. This is a new packaging. Can you see I still have this wrapper? This is the new packaging. And this tube just has like half the product. Let me see what this says. Instantly protects, moisturizes, brightens, even skin tones, conceals and refreshes. Quite a lot of claims. This instant skin stylist brings together all the goodness of your daily skincare with just the right touch of makeup to give you skin that looks styled by an expert every day. Usage: apply the cream in dots across cleansed face and neck. Gently blend using fingertips. Caution: avoid eye contact. Wash your eyes thoroughly with clean water in case of eye contact. So let's just not waste time and move into this already. Now, before jumping in, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like me or you like my videos, and press the bell icon to get notified whenever I post a video. Also, follow me on social media. All the details and links are given in the channel art. Press them, you will get redirected, and just follow me everywhere. Okay, so as per guided, you have to put it using, dots on your face. I've already primed my face, so let me put it. Let me try the half side first. Let me just dot it. Let's see how long this can go. I'm using a brush. Maybe I should use fingers. What is this written over here? Using fingertips. Fine, let me try fingertips. If I'm going to tap this all across my face, it's going to take me like 3 days. So yeah, let me put a lot more. So because it does not have like a lot of coverage, so it's actually going to take a lot of product, which I can see already. It's going to take me a lot of product, and I'm going to use a brush over here now. I think my under eyes need a little more. I think I'll try to conceal over the eye and under the eye. Let's see if it can work for that. If it works like this, without really using a concealer. So can you see it? It does not look bad. Actually, it does look pretty good. And you know what? Let me do other makeup. Let me do the full face of makeup. Then I'll tell you how other products work with this and how does it look with overall makeup. So yeah, let me come quickly. Okay, so I am back, and Now for the makeup details, let me tell you, I'm wearing this particular palette from Huda Beauty. This is the Desert Dusk palette, and if you have seen the video, I've already reviewed this on my channel, and I am wearing a lot of colors today. So if you want to know what I am wearing, so I'm wearing this amber as a transition shade, then OUD, blazing and saffron on the crease. Then I am wearing this cashmere towards this inner corner. Then I'm wearing Cosmo in the middle of the lid. Then I took this retrograde, and if you can see, I have this sort of retrograde over my crease. I don't know if it's visible or not, but I do have it like a liner shaped one, so that is that. Then I took twilight for the inner corners, and then I just took this retrograde towards the this portion of the eye, both sides, and OUD, saffron blazing amber, just much down. Yeah, that was a long one. So I don't wear like one or two colors from the palette, I wear the entire palette. That is how I work. As you can see, I have contoured, I have blush on, I have highlight on, I have put on the full face makeup along with the setting spray. Now coming back to the point, coming back to this particular CC cream. Now, to be honest, I think if I talk about my complexion, if I talk about how my face is looking, um I would say it's nice, pretty good. So this is not something I would say that, oh, it looks very natural. No, it does not look natural. It does look like you have something on the skin. So the way they say that it looks natural finish. There is no natural finish. It does look like you have something on your face. So there is no natural finish. Then moisturizes, I don't know. Brightens, yes, it did brighten. Then even skin tone, yeah, I mean, kind of they did it. Conceals and freshens, yes, I think yes, it did. So it does do what it claims, and I would say I do feel it's a little costly. And in this price point, I would say I don't know. I mean, uh, I don't say I loved it. I don't say I hated it. I have like a very um like I have a very mixed review about this. I cannot judge a product just based on one just one application. I need to use it like twice or thrice to have a firm opinion about it, and that's exactly what I'm having about this right now. All I know is that I like it, and I am going to wear it time and again. I can use it in my further videos. I do like it, and yeah, I mean, this is something I'm going to use. I'm going to reach for again and again. But yeah, so I think it's a good product. I think, yeah, it is a good product, but I feel it's slightly overpriced. Yeah, I mean, it is a slightly overpriced product, so that is something else. Other than that, I think it can be good for people who want to wear something to the office. That is something good. So you can wear this to the office. It's just that do set it with the compact, which is very important. So I think for that case, I would say yes, this is a very good product. So yes, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.